Topic for today's discussion is pointers. Okay. So what is the difference between normal variables and a pointer variable? So pointer variable, if you want to store the value in a normal variable, straight away you can able to store. For example, a equal to 10. This will not be more secure. Okay. But indirectly, if you are referring the address of a particular variable and you want to store the value inside the particular variable, then it is more secure. So that is why we go for working with memory. And that is the more secure data. If you want to work on, then you have to choose the pointers. Okay. So when you declare a variable, the compiler allocates memory for every variable. But if it is a normal variable, straight away will assign the value. If it is a pointer variable, which can able to hold, a pointer variable can hold the address of another variable. So we are storing the address of another variable. So some other variable, if it is want to access those variable, then with the help of accessing the address of that should be shared by the pointers, then only that value of a particular variable can be accessed. Okay, so this is how. So what is meant by a pointer variable? It's a special type of a variable used to store the memory location address of a variable. Don't use your mobile phone, don't use your laptop. Listen here. How to create a pointer variable? What is the basic syntax? Okay, so that we are going to learn now through coding. Okay, what is the basic syntax, or what are the procedures that you have to follow while you create a pointer variable? What is the syntax of a pointer variable? It must contain a data type, star symbol followed by a variable name. This is the way of declaring a pointer variable. This is the syntax or the declaration of a pointer variable. Int, okay, that is any data type followed by the star symbol and then the variable name. Okay, so can you assign? Okay, so for example, when you run this, check all the syntax one by one step whether it is right or wrong. Yes, declaration is right. Can I assign, for example, a equal to 10? Similarly, for this pointer variable, can I assign a value? And can I run the program? Okay, what is the error you are getting? The pointer variable cannot receive the values directly. Okay, you cannot treat like a normal variable. Please, all of you, look at the board. Don't look at the laptop. Okay, so can you identify the difference between normal variable and the pointer variable? Pointer variable cannot store the values directly. What it can able to store? It can able to store only address of some other variable. Okay, so what you have to do, for example, there is a variable called a which consists of some value 10, and this value you want to store it with the help of a pointer variable, and you want to make it secure. Okay, so you have to declare a pointer variable, and this pointer variable can contain the or can able to store the address of this particular variable. So what is the symbol of address? Ampersand symbol. Okay, but when you store the ampersand, when you store the address, this is how you can able to access the syntax for assigning address. Okay, this is for assigning address or store the address of an variable a. Okay, so this is the declaration of a pointer variable, declaration of pointer. Okay, and this is the definition of the pointer. So this pointer contains the address of variable a. So now when I go for a printing statement, %d, okay, comma p, when I print this, what I'm getting, okay, we'll check, because p contains the address of a. So when you run the program, what is your expectation? Okay, so some address is printed, but always you print it with long integers. Okay, so %u, then only the address in. Okay, so long address, actual address, you will get it. When you print address of any variable or address of anything, okay, use the specifier %u, unsigned long integer. Okay, so minus is cut off now. So now the address of, this is the address of a. For example, if you want to print address of a, okay, like %u comma, how will you print? If you want to print the address of a, ampersand a, you have to print, right? So but you cannot give here ampersand. Can you give here ampersand a in a printf statement? You cannot use it. So definitely you need a pointer. In that pointer, you have to store the address, then you have to print. So this is the address of A, not the address of variable B. Okay, so this is the address of A. Okay, the variable A address is stored. Address of A is small a is stored in this particular variable. Make a note of it, all of you. Can you all make a note of it? This 4 lines of statement. So this is the basic step that you should remember. Pointer variable, straight away you cannot store the address cannot store the address, cannot store the values. So instead, okay, you can declare and store the address of some other variables only. Okay, some other variable. It is an indirect identifier, okay, which is going to point it out a variable, okay, which is available in a particular memory space. You are accessing the memory with the help of a pointer, just like a cursor. You're moving the cursor to the particular location, you're accessing the variable, right? If you know the memory address, you can move the cursor to the corresponding memory address and you are accessing it, okay. Next, if you print if you want to get the value of A with the help of this pointer, how to access it? Okay, with the help of this pointer. If you want to print the value of A, what you will do, simply you will give it in printf statement as A. But here we are not going to access straight away through the pointer. When you want to access the value of A, at that time you have to use star symbol, star P. So what is P when you print? It prints address. When you print star P, it prints the value. Okay, can you able to see /n? So address is also printed, okay, and it is not like a permanent address. So that is why the physical address is changing often. Okay, so this is the procedure. How when you want to store value in a pointer variable, you cannot store like a normal variable. Pointer variable, you can store only the address. When you store the address, at that time there is the syntax doesn't contain star symbol. And when you want to print the address, okay, you have to go with the percentage u access specifier, and you can print the P variable. It prints not the address of P, it prints the address of A. And when you want to access the value of A, at that time you have to go for star P. I hope you all understood. How many of you didn't understood? Raise your hand, I'll teach you again. This is the basic principle and basic syntax. This is a basic step that you should remember. How can you... Okay. Shall we go for performing some other operations? Okay, basic operations, some arithmetic operations with the pointer variable. Okay, so this alone you should remember. And next we are going to work with, okay, simple additions. There are two variables, A and B. B contains value 20. Okay, so B contains value 20. So how many pointer variables you need for this program? At least 2. So we are going to make it as star P1, star P2. Okay, so these are the 2 variables. So P contains the address of A. Oh, sorry, P1. Now it is P1. P1 contains address of A and P2 contains address of B. Okay, and then you can go for addition. When you want to add, how will you add? How will you add and store the result? Okay, or straight away star P1 plus star P2. I have printed here the address. No, I'll remove this. What is the value of A? A is 30. Okay. Can you all write this program? Do this program on your own.